What's happening today, YouTube? Chris M here. Just wanted to bring you guys another tutorial. Like I said, I wanted to get these out to you guys. The people who are going to take these things and run with them and really study, I feel as though are going to be successful, and those are the people who obviously are watching this video and I want to talk to now, guys. You know, if you put, hey, Litecoin's booming or this or that, everyone's going to want to watch that video and get tons of views, but it's the people who watch this type of stuff who really want to be successful in the long run, and those are the people who I really want to help and learn and teach, you know. So if you guys could like, subscribe, all that, it really helps us out. And today we're going to be talking about the bullish piercing pattern. Now the opposite of that is dark cloud cover, which I'll do another tutorial on that. I didn't want to put these two together because there's so much that's involved. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to read out of my Japanese candlestick charting book what a bullish piercing pattern is and the characteristics of it. So if you guys wanted to grab like a piece of paper or anything like that, write these things down that I'm going to be reading to you guys, because this could really be helpful for you in the long run. So what you see here, we had a little bit of an up run, and then this candle here is a shooting star. We got rejected and we got pushed back down. So a bullish piercing pattern always has to happen at the bottom after we've been pushed down. Okay, so the trend has to be down for this to take place. Now what you're seeing here, do you see this candle forming? This bullish piercing pattern, it went underneath this candle where this close was. All right, so it got pushed down even farther, but what happened was it closed over 50% of this candle, and that's one of the keys, guys. You want that bullish piercing pattern to basically close 50% or more into this red candle to confirm an uptrend. And also you want this on volume, which this would most likely come on volume, guys. Okay, so when you see that, make sure that it does this close here, this top closes 50% into the body of this red candle here. So that is your bullish piercing pattern. Now I want to read you guys some characteristics of this, and you can go through yourself and look at a bunch of different charts and you can see how accurate this bullish piercing pattern is. So guys, here's what it says. The bullish piercing pattern, it is composed of two candlesticks in a falling market. So remember, it has to be in a falling market. It can't be moving sideways. The first candlestick is a black real body day, and the second is a long white real body day. This white day opens sharply lower under the low of the prior black day. So that's what we talked about. Then prices push higher, creating a relatively long white real body that closes above the midpoint, so that 50% of the prior day's black real body. The bullish piercing pattern is akin to the bullish engulfing pattern. In the bullish engulfing pattern, the white real body engulfs the previous black real body. With the bullish piercing pattern, the white real body only pierces the prior black body. In the piercing pattern, the greater the degree of penetration into the black real body, the more likely it will be for a bottom reversal. So guys, say it's 20-30% is not as likely as if it's 50 or more. Say it's 80%, guys, then you have a much more likely chance of that being that bottom reversal. An ideal piercing pattern will have a white real body that pushes more than halfway into the prior session's black real body. If the market closes under the lows of the bullish engulfing pattern or the piercing pattern by the way of a long black candlestick, then another down leg should resume. The psychology behind the piercing patterns is as follows. The market is in a downtrend. The bearish black real body reinforces this view. The next day the market opens lower via a gap. The bears are watching the market with contentment. Then the market surges towards the close, managing not to close unchanged from the prior day's close, but sharply above that level. The bears will be second-guessing their position. Those who are looking to buy would say new lows could not hold, and perhaps it is time to step in from the long side. The piercing pattern signal increases in importance based on the same factors 1 through 4 as with the dark cloud cover, but in reverse. So guys, it just goes in to talk a little bit more about the black cloud cover or the dark cloud cover and all that types of stuff. But I wanted to bring you this bullish reversing pattern since, especially right now, guys, we've been in such a downtrend that you would want to look for this, especially on the daily or the weekly chart. It would be so much more valid than it would be like on a 1 hour or 4 hour chart. But these are things you want after a nice downtrend. Remember, guys, really pay attention to this green candle closing 50% in this red one or more for an uptrend to continue. All right, guys, and then just a quick example of this dark cloud cover. Now, do you see this dark cloud cover? It's up above this bullish candle, and a lot of times you'll have a very strong bullish candle and then this dark cloud cover will come. And basically to the Japanese, it's almost like that solar eclipse is what my book says, is that it's just a warning that a down market may be coming, or there may be a push to the downside that's going to be coming with this dark cloud cover. And do you see how this dark cloud cover closed within 50% of this real body, this strong real body on this push up? So that's a little bit in the dark cloud cover. I'm going to do another one on that, specifically the dark cloud cover, because guys, I want to continue to educate you. I think that is the most important thing here. I don't think it's about clickbait. I think it's about continuously educating you guys, educating myself, because I want to take as many people on the ride as I can when this next bull market takes place, whether it's a year from now, 2 years from now, or whether it starts tomorrow. We don't know. But we're going to be prepared, we're going to be ready, and we're going to study up to that point. We're going to work hard. And to all you who are still here at the end of this video, I congratulate you, because you are the people who want to learn. You're the people who want to get better. Now dig into all this stuff yourself and look through all these charts and look at examples and see how effective this bullish piercing pattern is. God bless each and every one of you. Please like and subscribe.